You don't want to use 5-year-old customer data. You want to use stuff that's more up to date and trending. You want to use things that are relevant and not duplicating. You don't want to give 2 or 3 examples of the same thing. That's going to confuse AI, unfortunately, and cause it to hallucinate, right? So there's fun ways to train AI. Look at the examples. In the Captivate the Room, the speaker example, it's like interactive storytelling. There's the stories about you, the user, but it's tied into overall speakers and the type you are, where you feel less alone and more identified. But more importantly, you have data as the business to be able to personalize this and address your needs. We might have customer journey maps like Stitch Fix would use, where they take us through filling out a complete funnel of information about sizes, clothing, preferences. That all goes in there. Hey, which ones buy more? What time of year do they buy more? These are the questions you can ask ChatGPT, not just making up stuff and hoping it gives you an answer, but really concrete information. That's where understanding that data is not this weird, mysterious word. It's just information about behaviors, preferences. We might even do role-playing games, simulate customer scenarios, and it's sort of the way Captivate Your Room did, giving me a mask, an actor mask, showing them what I did. And so what we wanted to share here is that we need to go beyond prompts and start with the why. And maybe that's about like consumer business examples I've given here. Maybe it's asking a scientific question and making sure you include specific PDFs, research, and data, websites about what you're doing. But don't throw the kitchen sink at it. Be picky. Be able to pick few pieces of data that gives it an idea that, here's a path. I'm going into the woods. Like the road in the woods forked. I'm taking the path with the data that allows me to get to know more about the customer. And when you're working with generative AI, you want to have data in hand so you can ask the right questions to get much better answers and not rely on luck. It's really brilliant if you use ChatGPT. It's even smarter if you give it a hint where you're going. Start with your why. Why are you asking the question? And what information can you share to get a more specific answer?